Good afternoon, everyone. It's Tuesday, December 24th, Christmas Eve. It is 2:10 in the afternoon, and I am not at work. So, got some tea this afternoon to keep me going. And since this is Christmas Eve, I thought I would do a Christmas themed picture. So, growing up back down in Ozark County many years ago, we were pretty poor. I only remember two Christmases getting really good gifts. My brother got a drum set, and I got a little piano, which I never learned to play the piano. And then one year we got 10-speed bicycles, which was awesome. Um, but we had a 9/10 of a mile gravel road before we got to the highway, and it was blacktop. We cycled all over the place. But those were my two biggest memories of growing up. Our stockings would have the nuts and fruits that were on the table. I remember mom taking our stockings down and dumping them back into the bowls. That was, now I laugh at it. But no, we didn't expect much growing up. We did have a lot of fun though. When we got the bikes, I believe it was pretty cold out, but we were riding around outside on them, cold, and it didn't matter. We were kids. Oh, I guess we got sleds one year too. But those are my three main memories of them. But I decided to do a little Christmas mouse, this little Santa hat, holding a present, and see how it turns out. So yeah, Christmas, typically with my mom, it was kind of a stressful deal because of the presents. She liked Thanksgiving and 4th of July better because no presents to buy and just sit and eat and make food and let it cook all day. So the Christmas wasn't stressful for us, me and my brother. We were the last two in the house to get out of the house, but she I feel it was stressful for her. And so Christmas for me, it is what it is for. I'm not much into the buying whole bunches of presents. But here I did the Star of Bethlehem in it. I thought that would be appropriate with some moon and stars. So we are done for the day. Merry Christmas Eve, and here's the final product.